So today we're going to learn about how to permute a given string based on numbers given right here. So this is really easy to understand and really easy to implement. So we're going to use iter tools and permute. From iter tools, import permutations, right? So and then we're going to have the permutations return tuples, and those tuples have to be listed, right? So otherwise we will have only collections of tuples. So we have to put it into a list. First thing first, so we're going to need input. So words and input dot split, and it will split in based on using a space delimiter. That's the default, right? And after that, we're going to have to use the for loop and ladder in, and we're going to have to permutations, and we will be permuting words 0 right here. That will be our initial words, and then we will have words 1 right here. After permutings, we will have to convert into a string. So we're going to need functions to convert into string. Functions that convert tuples into strings. So def tuples to string, right? And then we will have word, and that's the one that we have to return using join, and word, that will be our string, right? This will be tuples. So let's say permute, and this will be permute, and it will return a string of tuples. And the map have to use that tuples functions. So this will be tuples string, and right here we will have to convert into list, and then sort the list in alphabetic order, right? So that's our answer right there. And we will have to print the ladder right here. So there you go. Let's try and test this code. We are missing something right here. So in ladder sort, I think we're missing okay, so we have to convert this into integer. is a string. And there you go, it worked. That's our solutions right there. And as for our iter tools permutations.